Let's take a look at the construction progress in Aeronautica Landing. This shade structure has a foundation and is being constructed. Airwalker has been installed, complete with a lighting package and theming elements. Here's what the ride car looks like. Air Racer is completely installed, boasting intricate theming, lots of color, and ride cars that emulate several aircrafts. Gyroforce has yet to arrive, but the concrete pad is eagerly awaiting its arrival. Gearspin has been installed, complete with ride cars and theming that resemble a red-hot propulsion engine that is used to thrust an aircraft into the atmosphere. Take a look at this theming element and the intricacies and details put into the arms of Gearspin. The Aeronautica Landing game zone officially has walls and insulation. Hover and Dodge has put up some retaining walls and is receiving new shingles and paint on the roof. Theming has been placed on the walls, noting the area as a hovercraft testing area. More theming has arrived outside, including a windsock and pressure gauges. The previously existing fry shack building has been repainted and rethemed, now named Frequent Fryers. The patio and stairs have been filled in with concrete at Terminal A Restaurant and Bar.